Hello everyone! Today we are diving into character AI and exploring a super cool trick sensing the scenario mid-conversation. Ever wanted to switch from a cafe chat to a space adventure or turn a casual talk into a dramatic fantasy quest? Stick around because I'm going to show you how to guide the AI and sense the scenario on the fly. If you love AI chatbots and interactive stories, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing tips. So first of all, let's go to Character AI app and make sure that you have already logged into your account. The first thing you can do is set the scene with a detailed description. Character AI doesn't have an inbuilt scenario switcher, but you can guide the AI by describing a new setting in detail. For example, instead of saying, "Let's go to the medieval castle," try something immersive. The sky darkens as storm clouds gather over the towering stone walls of an ancient castle. The wind howls through the empty corridors as I step inside, my footsteps echoing on the cold floor. The question may be why it works. The AI picks up on the description and adjusts the scenario accordingly. I'm really curious what's your dream AI roleplay setting. Let me know in the comments below. The second thing you can do is use direct prompts or action. Sometimes the AI need a little push. Here's how you can steer the conversation. Introduce new elements. As I take a sip of my coffee, a mysterious stranger walks in, the clock dripping with the rain. You can use the actions to drive the story. Instead of just asking the AI for the sense, show it happening. Like, I take a deep breath and push the glowing portal open, stepping into the another world. And here's a pro tip: if you want a more dramatic shift, try adding conflict. Suddenly, the light flickers and the sound of a footsteps echoes behind me. And third thing that I can use is use OCC, that is out of character hints. And this will be very useful if you want to switch things off without breaking immersion. For example, I'm sitting in a quiet library, flipping through an old book. Let's pretend the book starts glowing and transport me to the fantasy world. The AI will understand the instruction without breaking the story flow. So here's a challenge for you. Try using an OOC comment in your next chat and tell me what happened. And the last thing that you can do is let the AI contribute. Just control the entire scene. Let the AI surprise you. Instead of saying, "Now dragon appears," try, "I hear a deep growl behind me. What could it be?" This way, the AI fills in the blanks, making the experience more dynamic and fun. And here's the final tip. If the AI doesn't follow along, try rewording your input or gently guiding it back on the track, because experiment is a key. That's it for today. Now you know how to change the scenario in Character AI and make your chats way more immersive and exciting. So what's the wildest scenario you have ever created? Drop it in the comments. And that's all for today's video. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.